Welcome to our tutorial on how to mark a group as unread on Telegram using your PC with the latest update. Let's dive into the steps together. First, open your Telegram account by logging in with your credentials. Next, navigate to the group chat you wish to mark as unread within your list of conversations. Hover your cursor over the group chat and click on the downward arrow icon. Or, alternatively, right-click on the group to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the Mark as Unread option. This action signals that you want to revisit the messages in that group later, or give them more attention. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your group chats on Telegram and ensure you stay on top of important messages. Utilize this feature on your PC to enhance your Telegram experience and optimize your messaging workflow. By using this function, you can streamline your group interactions on Telegram and ensure you stay organized with your conversations. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in showing you how to mark a group as unread on Telegram using your PC.